Ever wondered what the future of online advertising might look like? Well, let's delve into Google's latest innovation that's shaping up to be a game changer. Back in May, Google introduced a new dimension to online search, an artificial intelligence-powered search experience. This was no ordinary update. It was a leap towards providing users with faster, more contextual information, transforming the way we explore the digital world. Fast forward to the third quarter of the year, the tech giant dropped another bombshell during an earnings call. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Alphabet and Google, announced the development of new ad formats, a feature that's set to revolutionize the world of online advertising. Now, what makes these ad formats so special? The answer lies in the way they interact with Google's Search Generative Experiences, or SGE for short. This feature aims to customize the user's search journey at every step, creating a more tailored and engaging experience. While the specifics about these ad formats were kept under wraps, one thing is certain. Advertisers will continue to have the opportunity to reach potential customers throughout their search journeys. This opens up a world of possibilities for businesses looking to connect with their audience in a more meaningful and impactful way. But here's the cherry on top. These new ad formats will be seamlessly embedded into the search experience, accompanied by a sponsored tag. This means users will be able to distinguish between organic results and paid promotions, ensuring transparency and trust. Now, it's no secret that ads are a significant revenue source for Google. In fact, they made up the majority of its third quarter revenue in 2023. But with this new innovation, Google isn't just bolstering its bottom line. It's reshaping the future of online advertising, setting the stage for a more personalized, engaging, and effective ad experience. So, as we navigate this era of AI-powered experiences, one thing is clear. The future of online advertising is here, and it's more exciting than ever before.